Hi there, my name is Dr. Jennifer Sandoval. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and certified sex therapist in Carlsbad, California, in San Diego. And in my last video, I talked about doing a series on coping skills. So I'm going to start with that today. And I'm going to be talking about two coping skills. The first one is kind of quick and easy. It's taking a walk with friends. Of course, walking alone is wonderful. Trying to get even like a 10-minute walk or a 15-minute walk is going to do wonders for your mental health, not to mention your physical health. But when I walk with friends, I'm doing what's called layering with my coping skills. And so I'm using several coping skills at one time. I'm walking, which is good for my mental and physical health. When I walk, I have to regulate my breathing, especially if I'm walking at a brisk pace. And if I'm walking with my friends, I'm being social and, sharing my life with someone else. So those are three things in one. So that's what I call layering with your coping skills. Now, the second one is called visualization. And I'm going to mention visualization more than this one time, but I want to start with visualizing your safe space. So this is where you take a little time and you go inward, close your eyes, slow your breathing down, regulate your breathing, which is another coping skill we'll talk about later. But you just try to imagine in real vivid detail, where is a space in your life that it is either real or imagined? So for me, it's the beach. And you want to be thinking about all five senses in order to create a really vivid, grounding picture. So let's see, I wrote my list because I always forget one. So I can feel the sand in my toes. I can see the beautiful fluffy white clouds in the blue sky. I can hear the seagulls overhead. I can taste the salt in the air. And I can smell that sort of briny, beachy smell. And over the years, I've created quite a vivid picture and maybe even more of like a story that I tell myself about me on the beach and how I feel and the place where I want to be. So it's something I use quite often, but I encourage you to think about, what is your safe place? Do you like to go to the forest? Is it, your grandmother's garden? The sky's the limit when you're using your imagination. But give it a try and leave a comment down below and let me know what your safe place is and how it helps you. All right, take care.